I don't consider anybody as my enemy. What I have to speak, I speak from the heart. If it hurts, let it hurt. Many people consider me as enemies, especially in the field of Konkani, the Devanagari lobby, who wants only Devanagari script for Konkani. When I was with them, they considered I am their hero because I am the only one Catholic who vociferously was saying, yes, Devanagari script should be the script for Konkani. But when I said, besides Devanagari, in Goa, there is Roman script widely used. That also has to be accepted. They began to hate me. They began to write me in the Konkani paper, all sort of allegations, all sort of things. And in that, there were priests also, diocesan and one or two religious. They wrote to my superiors, they wrote to Rome, to our superior general, that I should be taken out of Goa. And in fact, one superior wrote to me that you have been transferred. Within 15 days, I supposed to go out of Goa. I challenged that because in heart, I said, I have not done anything wrong. If it is God's will, I will go. I challenged. And from Rome, within 10 days, the reply came, stay where you are. I have no hatred against my superiors or nobody. In fact, when that superior died, there was nobody to write an obituary. I was requested. And I wrote it. And then the Jesuits who knew me said, how could you write such an obituary? He hated you. I said, I have no hatred. If he has hatred, what can I do? See, this is the spirituality we have been called. And even here in the Basilica I speak. I tell you, please come forward. Let us celebrate the Eucharist as a community. Some of you will not like it. You will hate me. That doesn't disturb me. I will go on pray for you. The more you hate me, more I will pray. You may avoid me, but I will not avoid you. If I say face to face, I will greet you.